Hey, what's up everybody? Today we received our Freedomfi miner and our indoor CBRS small cell 5G miner setup. So it's gonna be awesome. Been on a waiting list for this for almost a year now, and it came in. Woo! So let's go and do an unboxing.
How did you get that? Did you have to?
I had to join a waiting list for a long time to get this. So finally got this. Right here is an H&T, a Helium miner network, and this is a little small radio, cellular broad radio system. That, well, there's our bird, Skittles. Say hi, we're here to unbox. So this is really cool. So let's go ahead and open the miner first. It's all sealed, make sure it's sealed. Comes with a QR code so that you know it's not been used. There's my safety seal. Open it up. Oh, there we go. Freedomfi. You can use this alone to mine Helium. This right here gives you 5G capability, so you have your own 5G network. So, take that out. Take the miner out the bag. Oh, that's cool looking. Look at that.
The nose in the background, is it a miner also?
Yes, that is a ASIC miner that you hear running in the background.
Is this one gonna make the same kind of noise?
This one doesn't make any noise at all. No noise. Check it out. It's got all the Ethernet ports back here. For Ethernet hubs, you can have more devices. Here's my Connect card right here. I don't want you guys to see my QR code because you can scan it. People don't know that. This is a setup bracket for the wall. Yep, it's for the wall. That's cool. What else we got in the box? All right. Comes with a power cord. This is the adapter for the miner. And our little antenna and the hardware. So we got that. Now let's get to the cool one. Let's get to the small cell tower. See that? Wow. Cool, huh? All right. It's like a Christmas present that pays. Hopefully make a lot of money. There you go. It's like a Houdini box. How do I open this thing? Ah, there we go. Ooh, check it out. LTE, sync, power, and WinLAN. That's a security feature. What it looks like. It's actually heavier than I thought. It's pretty cool. Oh, it has a direct port connection for your router, a landline, and a GPS. So it can be global positioning system. So this thing's gonna be tracked to know where the device is at. And here's our hardware for it. The wall bracket for the wall. This is a Cat 5 Ethernet line. This is our GPS unit that needs to go next to the window. And here's our DC adapter. And this is not going to make any noise either. This is going to allow us to offer 5G network to off-put for network providers that provide 5G. So we're actually going to be our own 5G network within 5-kilometer radius, which is about 5 miles. So it's pretty cool. So anybody with Q-Link or Dish network or ones that are on the Freedomfi and Helium network will be able to bounce off of our system. So that's the unit. Thanks for watching.